friends, and welcome to Little Woods Art. One of my very favorite books is The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your own caterpillar very similar to The Very Hungry Caterpillar with watercolors and construction paper and some glue. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is make your own colorful paper. And to do that, we are going to use our watercolor set. So get your watercolors and spray them so they're wet. And if you look at the Hungry Caterpillar, most of its colors are blue and green, and here it's some red and orange and yellow. So those are the colors we're going to try to make. So get your brush wet, and you're going to make a section of orange and red. And you kind of want to mix it together, but you don't want it one solid color. You want some orange peeking through and some of the yellow and the red peeking through. So it's really fun because it kind of mixes together like that. So make a square like that. And then the rest of them are mostly some blues. So make a blue square. And you want to not touch the colors here together. And then just put a little bit of green in there. So it's mostly blue. And then we'll make a green. So you want to have some variety in your colors. Add a little yellow to that one so it's a lighter green. Okay. And maybe we'll make another blue one with some more green. This is really fun. Just kind of see how the colors blend together. Now it's only the head that is the yellow and the red, so we really don't need too much of that color. Now I'm going to make a really light green. So mostly yellow, add some green in there. And maybe one that's just more green again. With just a touch of blue. Okay, so you can actually see some of the lines. Good. Now what we're going to do is put this aside so it can dry. And that was the painting part. So here I have some papers that I did ahead of time. And now we are going to start constructing the caterpillar. Now you can just cut your own circles or draw a circle and cut it out. Or if you want a perfect circle, you could trace something that is round like this, a cup. And then get your scissor and cut it out. First we're going to make the head, and the rest are more oval shapes. So you could use a cup and just do all circles if you want, or just draw some ovals. And cut them out. Now what you're going to see is there are going to be a variety of different colors. So this is one way to make something that is uniquely your own. So you're going to have some light circles that are more greenish. You're going to have some circles that are more dark blue. You probably want to cut out, I don't know, it depends how long you want your caterpillar. Probably going to need more than 3. I'm going to start assembling it on a black piece of paper. Because it really, the colors really pop out on a black piece of paper. Okay. You're going to want to arrange it how you want. Now you want to leave room for the antenna and the rest of it. cut out a couple more here. And you want to overlap your shapes. Alright, so this is going to be a shorter one. So lay it out how you want to have it. You want your caterpillar to look. And then you're going to take your glue and just put some glue on there. And glue it down. Now I'm just going to put a little glue to hold it in place, and then I will put more glue to flatten it. Okay, perfect. Now you're going to take construction paper and make the eyes, the nose, the antenna, and the feet. Alright, and all of that you're going to glue down. So I am going to get started and do that. And there you have it, your very own hungry caterpillar. I hope you had fun. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, Little Woods Art. Goodbye.